How to fix low microphone volume on Windows 10 or Windows 11. So firstly, let's go to Windows and search Settings. From here, go to System, open up Sound, scroll it down, and under the Advanced tab, go to More Sound Settings. From here, go to Recording section and you will be able to find your input devices. And make sure that your default input device is working fine. If your device is working properly, you will be able to see bar rising on the default microphone array, just like you're seeing on the screen. And if your device is working fine, just right click on the device and go to Properties. From here, go to Labels and set the volume level from 55 to 75, and also give a 10 decibel boost to your microphone and click on Apply and click on OK. And after that, go to Properties again and go to Advanced tab, and from here uncheck on the Allow application to take exclusive control of this device, and also disable the audio enhancement. And after that, simply click on Apply and OK. So this is how you can fix low microphone volume on Windows 10 or Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, subscribe and don't forget to leave us a like and comment. Thank you.